welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing a topic that's very relevant nowadays, and you've probably already guessed it because of the title, and it's all about side hustles that you can do in your own home this 2020. So with everything that's going on right now, I think a lot of people are trying to find another stream of income that they could do at home, that they can do online. So the first side hustle is something that probably everyone is already doing. It's cooking or baking something and then selling it on your Facebook account, Instagram account, or even start a new Instagram account for that specific product only. And if you're someone like me who does not really cook or bake, you could allow your mom or your dad to cook the specialty in bulk and be the one to source the packaging, be the one to create an Instagram account and take pictures of it and then sell it to family and friends at first, and then people, and of course, once the word gets out, you'd be able to attract other people who does not know you and would probably be interested in the food that you're selling. And of course, it doesn't have to be the Sushi Bake or the ube pandesal. It could be something that your family has a secret recipe on a recipe that has been passed generations to generations and people seem to love. So just give it a try. And the second side hustle that you guys can do is to become a virtual assistant. So what is a virtual assistant? Virtual assistant is doing the back end of a business or a company. So if you're a virtual assistant, you do the administrative tasks such as replying to emails of customers, fulfilling orders, talking to suppliers, tracking shipments. These tasks are fairly easy to do, but for business owners, these are very tedious tasks that they normally would not want to do anymore. So they hire virtual assistants. So if this is a side hustle that interests you, you could go to websites such as Upwork.com or Fiverr.com because business owners usually hire virtual assistants through that platform. The third skill that I would like to discuss is about skill sharing. Of course, everyone has their own set of skills, and these could be anything under the sun. This could be like teaching people how to do Excel, teaching people how to jump rope, teaching people how to cook, teaching people how to do crochet, cross stitch, anything under the sun. You could go to websites such as Udemy.com, Skillshare, and Gumroad. So these websites are for creators who want to share their skills. So these would allow you as a creator to reach a broader audience, like to sell your skills from anyone in the world. And mostly these platforms would allow you to charge dollars. The fourth side hustle you can do is to declutter and sell your things online. I know that this side hustle tends to be very tedious and does not make a lot of money at first, but believe me when I say that it do piles up. Like in 2019, I sold a lot of my things online because I had a phase wherein I binge watched Marie Kondo, and believe it or not, I was able to earn 17,000 pesos from selling my things online, specifically in Carousell. So those 50 pesos, those 100 pesos of you selling your old clothes or old things online. At first, it doesn't seem like much, but it really does pile up, and an additional 10,000 pesos, additional 5,000 pesos would really help out you a lot. It's an additional 5,000 that you could put into your emergency fund, savings account, or the money that you can invest. So do not underestimate the money that you could make from selling old things online. The fifth side hustle that I would like to discuss is, of course, something that I'm very passionate about, and it's the side hustle that allowed me to quit on my day job way back in 2017. It's Shopify. It doesn't have to be dropshipping. For those people who don't know anything about dropshipping, basically the dropshipping business model basically allows you to sell and advertise your products online without having to buy outright inventory. So what it does is for you to have a supplier, and then you will advertise the products in your own store, and once the customer pays on order, your supplier will be the one to ship out the product and send it to your customer directly. What I like about selling through Shopify is that it allows you to have full control over the finances. Unlike with Lazada or Shopee, you have to wait for the money to be transferred into your bank account. I think it's probably 2 weeks or 1 week. But with Shopify, it goes directly to your PayPal account, Gcash account, or bank account. Also, another advantage in selling through Shopify is that you are able to reach targeted audiences. So, for example, you're selling sneakers. You could go to Facebook ads and then choose the interest. People who are interested in Nike, Adidas, Reebok, and all those sneaker brands. It allows you to reach to a certain group of people. I think that would allow you to make sales faster. Another advantage of you selling through your Shopify store is that you have access to the data. You know where these people are coming from in your Shopify analytics. You know how many people are adding products in their cart. You know how many people are have reached the point wherein they have initiated the checkout. You know how many people purchase versus the number of visitors, and with that data, you could do so much things. You know how to improve your conversion rate. Conversion rate meaning the number of people buying in your store versus the visitors. So I think that's data that's very actionable. So those are the 5 side hustles that you can do in your own home this 2020. I hope that you will be able to implement at least one of them, so you'll be able to increase your streams of income and eventually achieve financial freedom. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Please press the like button if you have learned something in this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.